To make your alarm sound while you are on a call on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first you have to allow alarm or notification sound in call option. To do so, open phone app, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select setting, tap call alert and ringtone. Under call alert section, tap the gray on off switch next to allow alarm or notification sound in calls until the switch on screen to turn it on. With this option is on, your phone will allow alarm or notification sound while you are in a call. Given to the function, you can enable this option so you won't miss your alarm or any important notification while you are on a call. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.